Hi, thanks for considering an Access course at Coleg, Cambria. There are two different diplomas you can do here. The first is an Access to HE diploma in healthcare, and the second diploma is an Access to HE diploma in humanities and social science. There are 3 modes of delivery, and I hope this video helps you choose the right one for you. So the first route you can choose is the daytime route. This course is over 4 days, and it requires attendance on site 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And all your teaching is done face-to-face in a classroom like this. The second route is our blended option. This is when you do 50% of your course 1 day a week on site in a classroom like this, 9:15 a.m. till 6:30 p.m, with the remainder of your course done independently at home in your own time, when staff will send you independent work to do via video recordings and tasks. Our third option is the online route. This is where 1 day a week you'd be expected to log in to Google to attend live stream sessions, with the remainder of your learning done independently throughout the week via recordings and tasks that staff are sending you to do independently. If you want to know any further information or you've got any questions, please contact us on the email on screen.